date for opening?
Sir, we are expecting, sir, to complete.
No, don't expect. Don't talk all these things.
Sir,
Now, what is the due date? I am asking you.
due date is
Be clear.
30th December 2026 as per the contract, sir. We are,
Not contract.
We are-
I'm asking you what is the time?
Our time is 30th June 2026.
30th June 26. From now onwards, how many months?
He's come exact 2 years, sir. 24 months. Practical. Less than 24 months. We try as much possible, somewhat we try. So today, as on date, today, based on the progress, based on the commitments, what I have, 30th June 2026 is confirmed, sir. I can confirm to you. Anything different, maybe I wait for 6 to 1 year, I can able to prepone to the extent possible, I try, sir.
Now you fix it very clearly, target date for completion and inauguration date also from now onwards you have to fix.
Absolutely.
Then work backward integration. Even all departments will align accordingly. Even Chief Secretary from Government of India side to head the day, coordination committees, civil aviation plus airport authority, everybody will align.
Okay, sir.
Even our minister will, both ministers, state level is looking after investments and also central level, central ministry is there. Both of them will coordinate. We have to go very clearly specific dates without any delay.
Done, sir. Will do, sir. Thank you, sir.